Hello, so this is my second vlog, so I'll be talking about conserving forests. So why are forests important? Firstly, forests are habitats for biodiversities. They are home to a number of animals. Forests are home to 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversities. These ecosystems are complex webs of organisms that include plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. Secondly, forests purify our atmosphere. The trees enrich the atmosphere by absorbing harmful greenhouse gases such as CO2. Trees use the carbon from these gases for growth, and they release oxygen as a byproduct. So forests help to remove pollutants from our atmosphere, thus improving air quality. People with respiratory problems will benefit from this. Broad-scale estimates conclude that trees are saving more than 850 human lives a year and preventing 670,000 incidents of acute respiratory symptoms. Forests serve as a watershed. This is because almost all water ultimately comes from rivers and lakes. Some rivers running through forests are kept cool and are kept from drying out. Forests are also a source of medicine. They provide a wealth of natural medicines. As an example, the asthma drug, theophylline, comes from the cocoa trees. About 70% of all known plants with cancer-fighting properties occur only in rainforests. Next, forests also help to dissipate heat and keep the climate cool. This is because trees in the forest don't only provide shade, but also absorb the heat as a source of energy that is used in the light and dark reactions in photosynthesis for growth. In addition, trees also release water vapor through their leaves in a process called transpiration. This process cools down the surroundings of a forest. But forests are being destroyed and degraded at alarming rates. Deforestation comes in many forms, including fires, clear-cutting for agriculture, ranching and development, unsustainable logging for timber, and degradation due to climate change. This impacts people's livelihoods and threaten a wide range of plants and animal species. Some 46 to 58 million square miles of forest are lost each year, equivalent to 48 football fields per minute. So what can we do to conserve our forests? Firstly, we can conserve our forests by using paper wisely and sparingly. We should go paperless by using electronic documents such as bills, and we could also send emails instead of faxes or paper mail. We should also print less and print smart. Next, we should support forest conservation programs and organizations. Most organizations working on forest conservation are non-profit, and therefore they heavily rely on donations. Besides that, we need to focus on proper forest management. As an example, all dying trees, non-commercial trees, diseased trees, and damaged trees should be removed to make way for new trees to grow. In addition, selective cutting has to be done too. Mature trees should be cut for timber, while young trees that have not reached maturity are to be left to grow to the maximum size. Lastly, our government should also carry out afforestation programs. Forestation is the establishment of a forest or stand of trees in an area where there are no forests. The urban forestry program aims to grow fruit trees and ornamental trees in urban areas, private compounds, and public parks. So in conclusion, our forests are very important to us and our natural environments. We have to play an active role in conserving our forests on Earth. Thanks for watching.